Hi there, students. A canopy, countable noun, and I guess just about as a verb to canopy as well. You can have a canopy bed. Okay, a canopy is some sort of cover, some sort of high cover that gives you shelter. And it's supported over an object, so particularly over a bed. If you've ever slept in a four-poster bed, there's a canopy. There's a canopy. There's something that goes over your head. Or in architecture, a roof structure or made of textile is a canopy. For example, you sit outside a cafe on the street, and there is a canopy that comes over to keep you dry. A canopy. Or maybe at a station, at a railway station, there's a roof that you're outside, but there's a roof to keep you dry if it pours with rain. The canopy in a forest, the highest branches, the highest foliage are the canopy. So monkeys live in the canopy of the trees, the highest foliage. In an aeroplane, the bit that goes over the cockpit, the bit that goes over the pilot, particularly in fighter planes, there's a transparent bit, and that is the canopy, so that the pilot can see everywhere. Or in a parachute, you jump out of your aeroplane, and there's a parachute, and the piece of textile that is opened up, that is your canopy. Or even the heavens above you. There was a canopy of stars above my head. The firmament, a canopy of stars. Okay, so a canopy, a covering of canvas or other material, supported on poles, and this could go over a doorway or over the entrance to a building. It's like an ornamental roof-like projection. Or you could have a canopy over a bed, or maybe a canopy covering a throne. This canopy, maybe it's held up on poles, and then an eminent or an important person walks beneath that canopy. Okay, so it's a protective roof-like covering. Could be made of textile. It could be a real roof. Or then a canopy. The uppermost layer of the forest, the tops of the trees. So there are bees' nests, beehives in the canopy of the forest. The thing that covers the cockpit in an aeroplane, the canopy, the transparent piece, and a canopy of stars above my head. Okay, so canopy, a cover fixed over a bed or a seat. It's something for shelter or for decoration or something like that. And then a canopy of branches, the canopy of leaves spread out at the very top of a group of trees, and they're like a roof, although the canopy doesn't keep water off you. The transparent part of a military aircraft, which covers the bit where the pilot sits, the canopy. Or the large piece of cloth for a parachute is the canopy of a parachute. But mostly a canopy. This is it's like a roof or a shelter or a piece of decoration, something that covers over something else. This is the canopy, a covering. And then to canopy, to provide a covering, a canopy over a bed, or a canopy over a person, a baldachin, or a protective covering. Outside a restaurant there is a canopy, or maybe there's a canopy over your front door to keep you dry. This is a canopy. So formality, canopy, 5 in formality, use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, from French, canopy, from Latin, canopeum, a mosquito net, a canopy, from ancient Greek, canopein, a mosquito net, from nopos, a mosquito. So this word canopy actually comes from a mosquito net or a mosquito. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Canopy.